Madison Park introduces our Breeze Bath Towel Set. Creating the perfect bath towel starts with premium cotton, which is why we use 100% zero-twist cotton yarn. Most towels need to twist the fibers to create strength. Our zero-twist towels are made of premium fibers that are naturally strong. Our zero-twist fibers have a larger surface area, allowing them to absorb more moisture while gliding across your skin. Using this unique construction, we've created a towel that is luxuriously soft and thick, yet lightweight enough to dry quickly. Our zero-twist cotton towel set features a jacquard wavy border design and a variety of fresh color options to choose from. Coordinate with our matching decor for a cohesive modern update. Madison Park's Breeze Bath Towel Set provides a luxurious yet practical addition to your bathroom.